Welcome. I'm glad you're here. In this practice, we will explore the mantra So Hum in combination with a focused breathwork exercise. So Hum translates to I am that. This mantra aligns naturally with our breath. So on the inhale and hum on the exhale. When you focus on your breath, it signals your nervous system that it is safe. This reduces stress hormones, slows your heart rate, and your body moves from a fight or flight mode into a calmer, more regulated state. Concentrating on your breath gives your mind something simple to focus on. This reduces mental chatter and helps you step out of spiraling thoughts. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation. By keeping your attention on a sound or phrase like a mantra, you train your brain to concentrate, which can carry over into more clarity during everyday tasks. So Hum is a very powerful mantra that helps you to foster a sense of oneness with the universe. It is a gentle way to meditate without forcing anything. Remember, you are not saying the mantra aloud. You're just repeating it silently in your mind. Even if your mind wanders, that's perfectly okay. Just gently bring your focus back to the breath and the mantra. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, preferably sitting upright. Ensure your spine is straight and your body is relaxed. You may prefer to sit cross-legged on the floor or on a chair with your feet on the ground. Rest your hands gently on your lap or your knees and close your eyes softly. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension with each breath. Again, take one deep inhale. Hold your breath for a few seconds and release through the mouth. Feel the support beneath you. You are safe here. There is nothing else to do but breathe and be present. Keep breathing naturally and inhale through your nose. Silently think so in your mind. Exhale through your nose and think hum. Continue this pattern. Inhale, so. Exhale, hum. So, hum. So, hum. So, hum. so, hum, so, hum, so, hum, so, hum. Let the mantra flow with your breath. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to the breath and the mantra. Feel the rhythm of your breath. I am that. So hum. Notice the subtle vibrations of the mantra within you, even though you're not saying it aloud. Let them anchor you in the present moment. If thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment and return to the mantra. I am that. So hum. So hum. So hum. So hum. So hum. I am that. This is your time to connect with your inner self. I am that. So hum. Return the awareness to your breath slowly. Feel your belly as it moves, or the air entering and leaving your nose. Take another deep breath in and exhale slowly. Sit quiet for a moment and notice how your body feels. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace within you. I am that. Thank you.